Hello artists, today I'm going to make a name tag. Remember at Mr. Melvin Makes, you can make too. So we're going to start with a colored name tag that has your name on it. And for this project, you're going to decorate using only drawing supplies. Things like pencils, crayons, markers, and colored pencils. You're not going to need anything like glue or scissors for this project. Whenever I get started, I grab the supplies that I'm going to use and I pick just a couple colors that I think I want to start with. This is a more respectful way to use supplies. This way I'm not hogging anything and nobody has to reach extra far to get the colors or supplies that they want. I'm really happy with the flowers I made in crayon. Now it's time for a new drawing supply. I wonder if anyone can tell me what these drawing supplies are. If you said that these are colored pencils, then you are right. Colored pencils are a great drawing supply, but sometimes they need to be sharpened with a sharpener. Borrow a sharpener from a friend or ask a teacher where to find one. A pencil sharpener is a great way for you to be a problem solver. Please remember that whenever you're done using something, it's a really good idea to put it back where you found it. I have one more drawing supply I'm going to use today. I wonder who can tell me what these are. If you said that these are markers, then you are right. It's always a good idea to keep the cap of the marker somewhere close. It would be really bad if you lost the cap of the marker. Whenever you're done with a marker, please close the cap on tight, like I'm about to show right here. Watch very closely and ask, is this marker really closed? If you said no, you are right. That marker wasn't closed all the way because I didn't hear it click. Make sure that the marker has clicked and is closed all the way, otherwise it might dry out. The last step of this project is to have a friend or a teacher help you tie a string around your name tag. This way you can wear it around your neck and everybody will know who you are and how great of an artist you are too. I want you to show me that you can make a name tag with your name on it that is really cool and decorated. If you have extra time, you can draw a little bit on the back like I am today with my wildcat. I hope you enjoy your artwork like I enjoy mine. Good luck, artist!